Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Photoshop to export clean matte for compositing in After Effects, beginner guide step by step clearly. To update Photoshop for exporting clean matte is suitable for After Effects, begin by launching the Adobe Creative Cloud application. Navigate to the Apps tab located on the left-hand side. Look for Adobe Photoshop in the list of installed applications. If an update is available, you will see an Update button next to Photoshop. Click the Update button and wait for the process to complete. Once the update is finished, open Photoshop. Load the project you wish to export as a matte. Select the layer you want to use as a matte. Go to the top menu and click on Layer. From the drop-down menu, hover over Matting. Choose Remove Black. Next, ensure your matte layer is properly set up. Use the rectangular marquee tool to select the area to export. Now, go to File in the top menu and select Export. Click on Export as to open the Export Settings window. In the Export Settings, choose the appropriate file format. For clean mattes, select PNG for a transparent background. Adjust the image size and scale settings as necessary. Ensure that the transparency checkbox is selected. Click the Export button. Choose your save location and name the file appropriately. Now, switch to After Effects. Create a new project or open an existing one. Import your newly saved matte PNG file. Drag the matte file onto your composition timeline. Use the matte in your composition as needed. Your updated Photoshop is now set up to export clean mattes effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.